Hello, welcome once again to our channel. I sincerely want to appreciate you for your constant visit to our channel. Today I have an interesting topic that you would love to listen and learn. Have you imagined using as tiny as this element to control your environment and making it safe for everyone? This thing you see in my hands is what we call spy camera or mini PTZ camera. I want to show you how powerful this is and the advantage of this over your normal PTZ camera. Looking at this, you can see that this is very miniature, meaning it can be hidden anywhere and people will not notice that something is there. Some people are afraid of keeping camera where people can see it constantly, but watching this video you can see that I have something that is very simple and very hidden that can be anywhere under your bed, on top of your roof, and nobody will notice it. And not only that it is not noticed or obvious to people, it have advantage of you viewing it anywhere you are in the world, because it is an independent system that encourages you to see it anywhere you are in the world. Permit me to share with you the advantage of this camera over your normal PTZ camera. Coming to this, we have several features that make it different. It has a zoom, and your normal camera have a zoom also. So this camera is very important because it has what we call independent power source. Then it has easy installation and placement. You don't need to struggle too much in order to install this. All you need is keep this somewhere, ensure that it gets the exact place where you need it to monitor. So considering your camera, it has low maintenance costs. Nothing is attached to it in terms of maintenance. Whatever you need is available. Like I said, independent power source. This is the solar panel that controls it and it keeps it on 24/7. Coming to the another advantage of this over the other cameras is that they work during power outage and it is not disrupted or disturbed by anything. There's no power outage that affects it. It is constantly on and environmental friendly. If you have this kind of camera, you can agree with me that this is so concealed and portable that you can put it in your pocket or even hang it anywhere in your house and people will not notice that it is there. Also, you have what we call the limitations at which this can work with. What are the limitations of this? Knowing that every other camera has their own limitations also, just something like the weather dependency. Some camera depends on weather for it to function, but this has ability to withstand weather challenges, whether sun or light. All you need, provided you have your camera and you have your panel available, this camera will always be on. And the low PTZ functionality is what makes it more advantageous over the other ones. You can't compare it with this camera because this consumes less energy, and that makes it to sustain the power till any time you need it, and it doesn't go off on a regular basis. Let's look at it now. It equally has what we call limited night power. In the night, it doesn't consume too much. Like I said, in the night, it will keep it on and constantly on till the daybreak, when the panel will pick up to charge it again. But with this camera, you have constant power supply on the camera, and you view it with your phone, your iPad, or even with your laptop. You can always access it anywhere you are in the world. Once again, I want to tell you that in my next video, you're going to see how this is configured and how you can mount it. Follow me as I show you that. Thank you for watching this video. Click like, comment, share, and equally select the next video popping up so you can always get every required information concerning home use cameras and industrial cameras, especially when it comes to solar energy and renewable energy. Thank you for watching this video. See you in my next video.